Good afternoon. Civil rights groups say ICE agents are going too far when arresting some illegal immigrants. They say they are staking them out at courthouses when they show up to handle their cases. Many of them minor traffic offenses. News 13's Jackie Kent is live at Metro Court with what they're doing to try to make that illegal. Jackie.
Kim, these groups say it happens almost daily here at Metro Court, so they've signed this petition hoping it will let people living here in the U.S. illegally show up to court without being in fear of being arrested.
We have documented at least 25 cases since February of 2017.
Civil rights groups joined together on the steps of Metro Court today, revealing what they call unfair treatment of illegal immigrants.
ICE currently is staking themselves outside of a courtroom, so as soon as a person comes out of their proceedings, they're detained.
Those with the New Mexico Immigration Law Center say they've heard a number of stories, including one from a woman who appeared for a DWI case.
She had been cornered in the woman's bathroom by ICE agents.
The ACLU says immigrants are now so fearful they will be detained at court, they're opting not to show up. And it's not just those facing charges.
One of my coworkers had a client whose witness could help acquit him of a crime he did not commit, but his witness would not testify because he was afraid of immigration enforcement within this courthouse's walls.
The ACLU today announced it sent a petition to the Supreme Court signed by attorneys, public defenders, retired Supreme Court justices, and other civil rights groups, demanding an emergency ruling stating that ICE agents can only arrest someone at a state courthouse if they have a judicial warrant signed by a judge. An ICE spokesperson tells us they will not comment on the petition or pending legislation, but directed us to ICE policy that states agents will arrest people in courthouses who have criminal convictions, are gang members, have previous deportations, or pose a public safety threat. But these groups say that's not what's happening.
Most people who are detained by ICE at the courthouse are reporting for low-level offenses like traffic violations.
The ACLU says it knows of at least 5 arrests made here at Metro Court in just the past month, and of the 25 arrests since February 2017, all were made here except for one at District Court just across the street. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Jackie. Now, normally the state Supreme Court would review new rules in January, but this petition is requesting the court consider it before then.